When you're afraid of something, no matter how small the obstacle may be, it can grow into a dragon, something enormous, that often has the power to immobilize you, preventing you from moving forward into the future. The problem with fear is that, at times, it points directly to where you have the greatest potential for growth. In many ways, fear acts like a compass guiding you toward what would help you grow the most. So when facing fear, a simple reflection can be helpful. If this challenge on your path needs to be overcome, in order for you to grow and fulfill your role as a human being, then it's there because you're capable of overcoming it. You cannot let fear paralyze you. However, if you're pursuing some reckless adventure outside the scope of your experience, or if it has nothing to do with your personal growth, then fear may be acting as a prudent warning. In this case, it could be signaling that you shouldn't move forward. It's important to distinguish between fears that are obstacles to your growth and those that serve as protective warnings.